Alright, I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know. I'm going to try it differently. I'm going to try it with my webcam here. Let's see if it works. Whether it will or not, I don't know. I may have to put the headset on. But we're gonna check this out. We're dropping here in the crypto world. Let's look at it. I wanted to get in at XRP here at the 219s. I took a shot on it earlier, that first dip, and we went way down here. I think I got filled at 210s, and I sold up here. I didn't even make it that high. I think 216s I was out, if I'm not mistaken. But we're getting some flow here. Let's see if we can't find a trade, guys. I mean, the beautiful thing about this market is we're open 24/7, so why not? But it looks like it's trying to make a wick here. I'm looking at the 15-minute right now. But I'm going to pause this, then I'm going to go back. Let's see if you can hear me, because I'm not sure if you can or not. I wonder if I can just pull it up. Oh, sorry, I don't want to watch that. I've got some levels marked off down here, but let's see if we get down there. There we go. Crypto trading live. Let's see if we can hear it. Hold on. Can you hear me? I've got the levels marked off down here, but let's see if we get down there. Yeah, well, it's working. Okay, cool. Just making sure. Let's see if we can't find a trade here, guys. If you're not familiar, iClay, hence the one eye. Get it? It's not a play on an iPhone. It's a play on my one eye. I wish I had some more brightness. I think I can solve that problem. Hang tight, guys. Help out at all? A little bit. Oh no! We are a complete amateur hour setup here, guys. We're getting into it though. Maybe we're not going to get into it. Hold on. Hold! Let's fucking go. Excuse my French. Anyways, we're checking out XRP right now. Gosh, you know, we originally broke out of that. Look at that little flag here back at the end of November. We were pumping since, and then we've just been retracing. But we've seen some. It's been selling off here, and you know I watched it's moving fast. The order book is just flying right now. But it looks like we got a lot of people taking profits. I'm out of everything right now. I am at full disclosure. I am out of everything. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Let's see what's happening. I mean, gosh, the guy for XRP went and talked yesterday on 60 Minutes, and the thing just deflated. Look at the big boys. You know, you can't go wrong with BTC. It's probably your safest bet right now. Look at this, huge wick there. I don't even know if I call that a hanging man candle. It's close. But we're holding 97s here, trying to drop down. But the money, I mean, for if you're a smaller account trading these things, XRP is it's been such a ripper. It's just been such a ripper. We'll keep an eye out here. See what else we got going. Yeah, 5 minutes there. I'm trying to hold here. I was waiting forever to get in down here, but now it's like, no, I passed on this. I took a trade on Doge earlier. It went up, and then it just shot right back, bounced back up again. I got out, so we're down just a tid. It's hard. I mean, I'm thinking about switching these derivatives here, but my ID's expired, so that doesn't work right now for me because they wouldn't approve me because I can't prove my identity through my ID. So we're gonna have to get a new license or ID card here. But, I mean, ideally, if you've been waiting, if you wanted to get in on XRP, this is probably not a bad spot to look at. You know what I mean? It's just we were pumping so much here. Pumping so much. A lot of times I use TradingView, but I like Coinbase for this. I really like their setup. I mean, it gives you the order book. It gives you the print. You know, I can't complain with Coinbase other than the fees, but you know, I'm going to complain about all the fees with anybody, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, look at you know, it's still kind of flaggish on your daily. What do you guys think? You know, I used to do I go to the extremes, but then I see some people, they do it with the, you know, where it opens and closes. Me, I like to do it in the extremes. Personally, that's just me. I guess everybody's got their own strategies. In my opinion, if the price hit there, it printed, it sold. I think we got a market. But we're still in this giant bull flag. You know, down here, like I said, it might be worth taking a shot. And I know a lot of people are waiting at the 190s, and this thing ripped back. Get done trading options today. First thing, bam, I turn and look. I'm like, what the hell's happening to my account? Crypto's crashing, okay? But as soon as we got down here, I put an order in. I want to say I hit it just at low, maybe 205, 206, and even by the time I got filled, it was up to 209, 210. I think 209.8 is where I got filled. That's how fast that wick happened. But we're going to test it here. It looks like we've got a pretty well-defined channel. But I personally, guys, I'm probably not going to get involved unless we get down in here. I just wanted to try this. I don't use the camera too often, or I'm sorry, the microphone too often on the camera. So I wanted to give it a shot just to see if it happens. I don't know if anybody's watching it. It doesn't look like it. Whatever, you know, it's your loss. We're spitting knowledge out here. Just straight knowledge. Yeah, right. I mean, yeah, this thing, when you get a fart coin, guys, I mean, this thing's so ridiculous. You know, you look at this move. So if you don't know me, I mean, I trade options every day. That's my goal. Usually 0 DTs. I do trade some weeklies a lot of times, but I've been watching this thing since it was 40, 50 cents. Robinhood did not even allow you to buy it until it started pumping. I've got in. I've had some wins on it. Recently, I've gotten a little greedy. But even when it was pumping the way it was, it's like, you know, you just held. I'm still a long-term believer in the crypto idea. I think fundamentally the way that we, I don't know, the ideas behind what is money, I think that's fundamentally changing, and I think that's why this is manifesting the way it is. There's no doubt about it. Let me get out the daily here for you guys. Let's go. Keep pretty recent. We'll go 5 minutes. I love when trades 7 to 5 minutes. The higher the time frame, I guess the more accurate it's going to be. Market today, gosh, can't complain there, huh? We finally got just I mean, I hate to say I've been looking for shorts, but we hit that top end of the trend line on the day. We were looking for shorts today, and we just got some solid follow through. We like that. You just, you know, you would think there'd be some divergence. You know, like we get to the top of the market, does the money flow into crypto at this point? And it doesn't seem to be that way. It seems like we're almost following each other, which I would think that if the market does tank, which we're in a bull market, I mean, there's no doubt about it, but, you know, let's say in the future it did, would you see some type of momentum into the crypto market to get away, kind of like you would see with gold and silver? You know, I don't know. Gosh, we're making a little bit of a, I'm not, if you look back on prior charts, it looks like that could be kind of a thing. Let's take a look at Doge for a second here, the old Doge daddy. I mean, it's part of the government now, so is this it? The thing is, there's so much talk about XRP, and that's really going to be the one that gets the payment services. See, I got in, got up here, I didn't take profit. I got this spike off. I think I got out right in this cam around whatever that is there, 41.2, 41.1-ish. I got out. I'm not feeling it. I feel like we're due for a correction, and it's healthy. If we want to push higher, we probably got to come back. We got to come back. So let's see what happens here. Got eyes on Doge. I'm gonna pull up some trading views over here, actually, so we can kind of keep an eye on what's going on. I mean, I want to take a trade here, but I'm not doing the derivatives, so I should. I think in time that's probably where it's at. But I like trading the market. It just is what it is. Get up, I trade the open, take lunch, trade the close. This thing's 24/7. I mean, it's kept me up for, but, you know, you're getting reps in. You know, the more you do something right, the better you get at it, I suppose. Look at this thing. We are trend down right now, though. For shizzle my nizzle. I don't know that we're going to break any structures here. See, and I mean, these ones are pretty easy to do because, you know, you get it closes right there. I know some people, they say if it doesn't close underneath it, you hate getting licked out, but if we break this structure, I may just hop in one, but let's just be patient. Patience is a virtue. But we're in a pretty well defined down channel right now here on the 5 minute on the old Doji Doge. So I'm just bringing it up over on my other screens here so we can keep an eye on everything in case something does move. We can get to it quickly, you know. What else we want? BTC. I've pretty much been sticking. Oh, we can check out Peep. I guess we'll keep eyes on Peep as well. We'll try and get a look-see there as well. Alright, so we got Doge, 5 minute, XRP I got up over there, BTC. Let's look at some Peep Ski. It's had a pretty solid run there. It's probably due for a healthy correction. Yes, it is. Did they let me trade Peep on coin? I haven't even looked. Let's take a look at the old Peep Skis. Down 10%. Yeah, look at that. There's, if you're trading momentum plays here, there's your momentum down. You got your little bit of consolidation here. Oops, let's get rid of that. Oh, let's get rid of that. Oops, wrong one. Did a horizontal ray there. I meant, come on. There it is. I'll get rid of this one though. Little sloppy doppy. See if you can get a close under there. This is the old Peep. But I mean, I think what people are really interested in right now, for the most part, is XRP and Doge. I mean, Bitcoin obviously it is what it is. I still think Bitcoin's a buy. I just, you know, if you're looking for an investment, I think you just buy it and hold it. I'm looking to get in at the 190s here. If we get down there, I'm going to take a trade on it. There's no doubt in my mind that I'm going to. I've been wanting to get in down there. It seems like earlier that seems to be what happened. So let's take a look and see what happens. Yeah, see, same thing here. You have that momentum down. This thing is going to close. I just got Coinbase. I just got it, guys. I was impressed with it until they were letting me trade. I only made a couple trades, and then I went to sign up for derivatives, and they asked for my license. So I sent my license in, but it's expired. Half blind, I don't really drive. So we're kind of sitting out as far as that. But I'm looking forward to trading some crypto futures. Absolutely, I can't wait. I'm gonna go this week, get the old license renewed, and then we're gonna trade some derivatives for you guys. Absolutely, that's what we're headed to do. So I just want to get my account up because I am gonna take a trade if we get a shot here, guys. I'm holding tight. So if you look where I drew these, let's go. I don't have a 4 hour. Interesting. Can I make a custom? Oh, they can. I'll go 2 hours. I'm looking for that zone to hold there when we broke out. You can see we kind of wicked it before. So I'm looking for 190s. At 190s, I'm going to take a shot at it, and then I'll probably hold that. I'll probably swing that until tomorrow, but we're going to be patient and hope that we get there. As of right now, it looks like we might get a shot. All right, good 5 minute close here. If you're shorting this thing, you can get in now. You wouldn't be wrong. Or you could average in up to here, or you just wait for the retest to stop up here. It just depends on your strategy, I suppose. But everything's kind of falling down. Peep just broke a bear flag as well. BTC. I have a I don't know how I can get rid of it, but I was running a Pine script on TradingView, running a simulation, and it's still on there. I keep deleting it, but it's telling me to go long right now on BTC. That's a pretty yeah, I don't pay attention to that. No, I don't like it. I would be short here. This is a short. This is definitely a short, guys. This is a short on the old XRP. I know there's a lot of people who, you know, let's do some research over here together. Me, myself, and I. You know, and I've heard rumors that Putin, whether it's true or not, is going to use XRP. Ripple is a digital payment network and protocol launched in 2012. Chris Larson and Jed McCaleb. The network uses XRP as its native cryptocurrency to enable fast, low-cost international money transfers and tracings. Let's look up the old Chris Larson. Who are these peeps? Probably billionaires now, right? Jed McCaleb is an American programmer, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He's the founder and chairman of XCO of startup Vast, whatever that is, and the CTO of Stellar. I like the name Stellar. My daughter's name is Stella. Star. So that's cool. But he's worth $2.4 billion. Born in Fayetteville, Arkansas. He's a Southern guy. Went to Cal Berkeley. Can't trust him. Dropped out and moved to New York City. Well, we like that. Well, we don't like New York City. So he looks like he was in the 2000s and the .com stuff. Made some money there. You know, interesting. You know, I believe in the future of crypto. I just 90% of these are not going to make it. Let's be honest, they're not. We're not using them to buy things. You know, I just went and got a milkshake earlier. I didn't pay with crypto. I wish I could have. But I could not. So, you know, this is going to give me a chance here. This is going to give me a chance, I think. I'm going to be patient. The selling pressure. I love that they give you the order book and the trade history right there. So if you see me looking away, I got the Streamlabs over here. Love it. And they don't charge you anything extra for it. And then they have this thing where I thought I found the loophole. They have free trading. If you pay $30 a month, I'm like, that can't be true. No, they cap you at 10 grand in trades. What's that going to do? I mean, there's no PDT. There's no PDT on crypto future. I mean, you could do two $5,000 trades, you're out. Do 10 $1,000 trades, do $2,500 trades, and you're out. So, yeah, they only give you so much, or else we would be in right now. All right, Jed McCaleb, we know who you are. Let's see who the other guy is. Chris Larson started XRP. Who are you? What it do? American business executive and angel investor. Now, he was born in 1960, so he's a little bit older. He co-founded the online mortgage lender eLoan. Man, if you're a bank right now, what do you think about crypto? The thing is, these crypto exchanges, they're doing the same thing the banks are doing. I mean, they're lending it out too, so is crypto going to be the new banking industry? What an exciting time to be alive here, guys. What an exciting time. Like, look at this thing. We're pushing. We are pushing. I hope we keep going. I want an opportunity to get in. But I'm going to be patient. And this crypto seems to be, I mean, from my experience trading, and at least unless you're trading a lot, and you get to, so like Robinhood doesn't really change their fees at all. Coinbase has a better structure, depending on how much you trade. We can show you right here. Here's Coinbase's fee structure. So if you look like intro, 0.6, but you can get it down if you're trading a lot. So we're looking to make maybe a switch here to trade some crypto futures. Anybody know, are they in the funded challenges? I mean, I don't do the funded challenges, but I wonder if they are. Gosh, we gotta look left here. What do we got anything? No, because we were price seeking here. What do we call it? Price discovery is what we were doing. Well, we have now discovered. I mean, we had that big wick there, and that's 217. We're breaking that. What's the bottom of this one? 214. We're breaking that. We are headed lower, guys. BTC is breaking now. BTC is 96. Let's take a look here at the old BTCs. What it be? Yeah. Everything heading lower. What happened today? Why everyone want to get out of their crypto? You know, Michael Saylor's probably loving this. What is he waiting at? Is he just averaging the whole way down? Probably. I guarantee you he is. Because, I mean, realistically, this thing's headed to 1 million, guys. It's going to go to 1 million. I know you think I'm crazy for saying that, but maybe not now. But in 10 years, we look back, and all we're doing is paying on BTC. But the other side of that coin is like, you know, every day you go to buy a pop, your money's worth less. But that's the same thing, I guess, with the dollar either way. And I'm not versed in that world. You know, I guess I'm not. I've never really traded Forex before. You know, the dollar fluctuates every day, but it doesn't really for us as far as purchase. I mean, prices go up and down. But you imagine the fluctuation if you were paying with fart coin, like, you know, you go to buy a Snickers, it was 1 fart coin yesterday, now it's 100 today, and then it's 0.1, you know what I mean? Like, so I'm curious as to where we're headed from here. There's a reason this is all happening, manifesting the way it is. Not to get spiritual with y'all, but it ain't spirituality anymore, it's just the way it is. We know we are creator beings, and we create digital currency. Digital currency. Bitcoin trying to pop back up here in the high 96, 96.8. Looks like we just was below that candle there. Now that may be a hanging man there. Maybe that was a little higher, but there's a trade here too. A lot of people like to, once we break here, they'll go short, and then top of the body is where their stop would be. But I guess you gotta let it go a little bit more. Yeah, like we tried to get back up to 100, just completely rejected it. Just absolute rejection city. Yeah, we're in a 2-hour downtrend on BTC. Let's go back to what I like to watch them. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I love XRP. If you're a day trader, guys, volatility is what we seek. It is absolutely what we want. I'm gonna get in down here into 190s when we get there. Let's see. The highs. Maybe so just tidbit. What's the close of them? I like to see the close. 189 was the oh, that was the low one, sorry. 195s. High 195.9, high 195.8. 196. That's our target. If we can get down to 196, I want a piece of this action. I may even just get it if we get to this line, this trend line. You know. What's the 15 minute look like? 15 minutes is turning down. Pretty defined downtrend now. You knew this was coming. I mean, gosh, some of these coins have pumped so much. So much, you know. We're almost seeing 213s in the bid here. 213s, there it is in the bid. 213.9s, 213.7s. Dang, we're dropping, guys. We are as it dropping. Can you see that on the screen? I don't know how well you can see that. Why is that? Or is that just I'm using my crappiest screen for Streamlabs. Maybe that's what it is. Hold on. Hold! Yeah, I think it's just the screen here. I wish I could. Oh, can I make it bigger? I can. But then you don't get to see the order book or anything. And that kind of sucks, you know what I mean? It's nice to be able to see the order book. At least I think so. You know what I mean? I like the order book. Let's try and zoom in for you guys here. XRP, what it be? You know, I just started using Clearance. I don't have any indicators on here. Let's add VWAP for sure. And then just your 50. Let's add a 200 period in here. Can we change the colors of all these so not everything is the same color? Settings. Alright, what's this VWAP? VWAP will go orange. I don't know what everybody uses for their colors, but that's what I'm doing. 50 will stay blue, and my 200 is going to go pink. Is that red? I want pink. I want pink. Hot pink. There we go. Alright, so now our orange is VWAP, the 50 is the blue, and the 200 is up there. Okay, cool. And we're below the 50. Yes, we are. Look, we crossed over way up here. We are headed down, folks. Still on that channel. We're waiting for it. We're hoping we get a shot. I'll take a shot if we get it. I'd love to. I'd absolutely love to. We are dropping. Bitcoin 96.6 is head south. Hell in a handbasket. Doge. Oh, whoops! I got the market cap up for Doge. 39.2. We're back under 40 again on the old Doge ski. Pepe dropping fast. Pepe, where you at? Pepe 23. Wow. Let's clean this. We just clean this. 210s. This thing is flying down here, guys. People getting out. What do you think? They're taking out to do some Christmas shopping? I mean, are there fund managers with crypto? They don't want their clients to see they got it in there, or they're trying to lock in gains for the end of the year. I mean, there's many things that could be happening. Are we going to get a Santa Claus rally in the crypto market? I think we've already gotten it, but this thing, it's here to stay. But you know what's next, don't you? Crypto regulation. Obviously, that's what's next. What do you think? Should I guys wear the patch for the stream? My one eye? I forget which eye it is. But I should really know that. Maybe I'll rock the patch. Should I rock the eye patch? I don't ever wear an eye patch, guys. I got one eye, and I'm cool with it. Like, I don't care. See my sweet mask? I was going to put that on. I got the Vitruvian Man. Behind that, funny story behind that, is actually the Mona Lisa, which is cool because when I first got it, I didn't want my daughter to kind of see it. I was going to put Post-it over his, parts. But I had the Mona Lisa, which I'll tell you what, Da Vinci's a dang genius. Shout out Robert Edward Grant if anybody's watching his stuff and what he's finding out. Unbelievable the amount of codes that are left in these things. So, but now I just have it this way. I just explained it, Ronnie. It's art. Look at that, 210. Come on, let's push. We want 190s. We want 190s. I'm going to take a shot. My patience is going to pay off. But you watch this thing, we're up to freaking 50 cents tonight. Next shot down. I like these breakout zones, like where it broke out. This one is pretty kind of toppy there. So I like 194s and 196s. Anything from out from there, you're going to be, gosh, 143, 163. So let's see. I mean, can we get that far? Can we get there tonight? Maybe. There's always a chance. Give me a chip and a chair. There's always a chance. Bitcoin 96.3, just tumbling here, kids. Just tumbling. But for those of you like me, I mean, we were trading XRP, and you couldn't lose on it. Like you couldn't lose. It was unbelievable. I don't put a lot of size into my crypto trades, though, I'll be honest. But that's coming. I just need to find a way around. If I could find a way around the fees, which I think. Let me look at the derivatives real quick. Oh, it doesn't even give me. It says finish, or does it say submit ID? You guys can't see it. I got that part blocked off over there, but it says finish signing up, submit ID. It's expired. Okay, Bitcoin starting a green candle. My trading views are different colors. Can I change the colors on these ones? Anybody know? I can. Alright. This will match my trading view. There we go. I like it. Push. Let's see here. 20. See if we can get any takers down here in the 206s, 207s. I don't know though. What are we down total right now? 5%. I think that bad. Doge just got hammered. Okay, wait a minute here. That can't be right. I must be looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, because XRP it says HUD 15% down, Doge 13%, Bitcoin's only 3%. Ethereum or Solana. SHIB down 18%. I cashed out of a trade on that. I do like me trading me some SHIB. 25.60. So 18.19s is where I was originally a while ago, and I was like, holy shit, I can't believe we got there. Excuse my French. 209s here. Come on. 190s inbound. 190s inbound. Let's go. A lot of us that believe in it just want to hold long. We're all about this. What's going on here with the lighting? It's for the look. I don't light it. I don't think you're gonna wear the eye patch. Can't really tell on stream though, can you? 208s. Be a soldier, Preston. Be a soldier. 96.2s, red and 95s on BTC. Oh yeah. When does Sailor start buying? He probably already is. Looking forward to maybe trading some MSTR on Friday. I'm not going to trade it right now. It's just so crazy. Literally insane. Like, let's just look. These expire on Friday. At the money is, yeah, 1950, 1825. Sure, 18, 1900 bucks for at the money calls. You know, just, you know, and it's, you know, it's $300 some name, but it's just, it's so volatile. Implied IV 134%, 134%, yeah. But just in comparison, if we were looking like the Qs or something. 207s, let's go. We on our way. Can't stop, won't stop. 190s. We're going to pump. We're going to ape into it at 190s. We aping right into this shit. But I've got my XRP. I know a lot of you guys are probably watching SHIB and Doge and BTC, but we trade in the XRP. I like it. It can really move. It can really move. And that's what we like. I'm just curious. Like the Qs, the NASDAQ, you know, it's a $500 name. And you're 148 bucks for, oh no, that's tomorrow. Okay. And you're only still, for Friday, you're 300 bucks. 370s, 340s. So yeah, MSTR, what a beast. What a trading vehicle if you've got the funds available to you and the tolerance for the risk. Trying to hold 207.9s here, guys. Nope. We are not. Head the hell in a handbasket. 96.1, 95,000 on BTC is inbound. XRP, what it be? Can I change my, does anybody know? Because I don't. If I can change, copy stream. Oh, edit stream title and Doge. That's cool. That's cool. I figured out how to update it. Well, it looks like we held that 207.28. Bitcoin popping back up to 96.4 here. Doge pop. Everything's rebounding here. Getting a little bit of momentum. XRP definitely got some momentum. Coming back up to 11, I just saw. Doge 39. I was originally thinking I wanted to get into Doge in the under 40s, but I'm just waiting for the XRP in that 190s. That's what we're here for. That's what I'm going to be patient for. We'll see if anything happens. But Bitcoin, what was the low of that last candle in the 5-minute? Looks like 90. We did not hit 95. 96.1. 96.1. We did not make it to the end of this kind of, I don't know if you want to call it a hangman candle, a hammer candle, whatever your forte is. The XRP is still dumping. Everything's still dumping. We're getting a little bit of a bounce. 96.6 on BTC. PEEP. Anyone want to take a shot on PEEP? It's got a strong chart. 23.333. Oh, 333. Angelic. Maybe that's the one we take a trade on. No, I'm going to stick to my guns. I'm going to stick to my guns here. We're going to hold for. We're going to hold for the old XRP. Do we really get a pounce here? We're wicking on a lot of these things right back down. 209, I just saw an XRP. Man. I'll trade probably 10:30, 11. I'm going to bed. Let's see what happens here. I'd love to, before I go to sleep, I guess I could put an order in, but I don't like doing that. Not that I don't trust Coinbase or Robinhood. It's just there's some freaking wonky shit that happens. I'd like to see what happens. Yeah, we're wicking all these. It looks like, gosh, all the markets are basically just following each other. Just the amount that they're down is different. The percentages. Last 24 hours, XRP down 15.6%, 15.7. Let's see if we can push below this 207s. 207.50 is the lowest I've seen so far. So I was just going to say, I thought the order book was slowing down. That just speeds right back up. Maybe we got some buying. We hitting the bid? Nah, not really. A big sell just happened. Can't seem to get back over 210 on XRP. Bitcoin, big wick. Candle about to turn negative here. Everything else holding up a little bit. Yep, Bitcoin just turned, this candle just turned negative on BTC. I don't know how many screens I can put up that you guys could actually still see it. I don't know how easy that would be. I had a viewer for a second. We are moving on up. I did have a viewer. That's a first. I wonder if they found me through the search or if they knew. They might have known who I was. I gotta stand up and stretch. I did something to my knee. Sorry, I'm in my long johns, guys. Stretch. Sit in this chair all day. Alright, I'll give it a little bit more here. I want to see it. I want to see it drop down under 2. What it do? What it do? I don't know. Should we, in the meantime, Sir Chris Larson. Ripple co-founder Larson flooded Kamala Harris's election effort with XRP. Really? Oh, he was in support of the old Diamond woman. Tell me that Kamala Harris does not look like a younger Barack Obama with hair. I mean, I'm not saying she's probably a Manchurian candidate, but if you had a template, my goodness, the two of them. Huge wick on Doge. Huge wick on Dogecoin here, guys. Let's see what's happening. These are all 5 minutes. I'm looking at 5 minutes. Or no, I'm sorry. I'm looking at a 15-minute on XRP. Let's go down to 5 for you guys. Looking at a 5 now. That was a beautiful little bull flag break right there, huh? Had the momentum down. A little bit of a consolidation. Key level, break. Sometimes you'll get in these key level will hold, but you just get out when you're wrong. You just get out right away. Sorry, I had a viewer. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Let's see, we're going lower. BTC, will you hold on to 96? I feel like it's just bounced so much up and down from like 97 to 101. I took a fill from Coin when I was first, or no, maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was on Hood. I can't remember, but remember I took a fill. It was like 99 something. They fill you, it's like 100,800, and we couldn't pass 100,400 the other day. I can't remember what night that was. I was trading it. Headed south. Gosh, this is why we gotta get in these derivative contracts. Gots to. I mean, just if you're short, guys, this is like taking candy from a freaking baby today. The trend is your friend. We're so far away from the 50 period right now, it's unbelievable. It's not unbelievable. It's totally believable, actually. We're watching it. Here we go. 207s, come on. 195, make you feel alive. One time. Totally want to see. See if we can get it. BTC 96.1, 95 inbound, 95.9 inbound. Everything dumping. Everything dumping. Maybe we see like a 40% retracement. That'd be nuts. I mean, Bitcoin seems to be kind of stronger than most, though. I really think BTC has been stronger. Let's take a quick peek at it here. BTC. Yeah, it's only down 3%, but we're heading south right now. But the old fan favorite, XRP, that's where it's at. XRP. Yeah, we're going. We are going. Pretty chewing. You guys like zins? I like the zins. I like the zones. Anybody else see that? Was it Tucker Carlson? He did a thing. I saw it on X. He does a commercial for these. Shout out you, Tucker Carlson. It's a pretty funny commercial. I laughed. I did get a laugh. For sure I did. We gotta get some better camera and a longer cord. This angle, I'm stuck with this angle because my computer is under my desk. My little trading command center here. We're dropping. We are dropping, guys. 207.3, 206 inbound. 95.9, there it is on BTC. I mean, realistically, let's look at this together, guys. Let's look at Bitcoin just to see. And again, I'm not buying Bitcoin. Some of you probably are. Up here, though, not me. Still a beautiful little chart. Kind of waving in the wind. I don't know if I can draw that. It's kind of waving in the wind. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's still a good chart, guys. Still a good chart. I would not be, you know, looking for long. Let's see, what is this? This is the daily here. So we've got a little bit. And see, I like to use the extremes. You know, everybody's got their own ways. You're looking for longs when you get down there. I like to use the extremes, kind of in this upward channel, really, right? But see, now that big wick there, that one, because I like these lines to be kind of parallel, that one I won't. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. Just, it's what I do, okay? It's what I do. So really, I mean, gosh, 93. What was the bottom of this wick for BTC? 92.055. But I'm not taking a trade until I can get there on. Oh, we're getting there. BTC 95.8. XRP, where are you at? We're getting there. We are getting there. I thought I saw 205 for that flash. There it goes. 10 cents away and I'm getting in. 10 cents away. Patience. I mean, I might No, I'm not going to. I was going to say I could start averaging in here, but I'm probably not going to. I'm just going to be patient because we're breaking below. This could be a level we bounce because of this wick. I can see it happening, but I think we're headed lower still. If you're just tuning in, we're waiting 195, 194, 196 is my target zone that I'm getting in. Bitcoin I'm staying away from. I just think that thing can dump 10 grand. It shouldn't, but it could. But we've got a pretty healthy pullback here. Our buyer's going to step in. I haven't seen it happen yet. This thing's got a pretty aggressive trend down. Doge down to 38s now. We're well under 40. Peep 227s, and we're still going south. What a pullback. I mean, these things are normal. When you've pumped as much as it has, it's completely normal. Just got to be patient. So I'm not going to chase a falling knife. I mean, I might if we get down to 194. I'd like to see it make some type of bottoming tail. And then I'm going to look to get in, but not until we break 2. We're definitely going to need to break 2. Order's still flying here. Order's still flying. We're just dropping. Even Bitcoin's dropping. 95.7 on Bitcoin. Doge 38.9. Doge is trying to but not. It's the only one I see with the green can right now on the 5-minute is Doge. Everything else, XRP, BTC, all green, or I'm sorry, all negative. I don't use green. I use orange. I use orange and white. I used to use all one color, all orange or all white. Whether it really plays on your subconscious mind or not, I don't know. I guess somebody probably has a theory on that. Somebody sold me on the idea of changing the colors. I just think it's cool to change your colors. Come on, we're going to get a chance here. We're going to get our patience is going to pay off. It's absolutely going to pay off here, guys. I'll give it a little bit longer. I got to get to bed. What are we at? 10:28. Shout out wherever I got this Moonbrook Country Club hat. Thing with the moon on it, I like it. 204s, we are dumping. 95.6 BTC, Doge 38.8. BTC is starting to really accelerate to the downside here. Yep. Come on, 204. We're 10 cents away. In case you want to see what I'm looking at here, I'm looking. Gosh, last time we tapped that 200, huh? Maybe we take an entry at the 200. Let's see what happens. We'll see what happens at the 200 period. I really want to get in right around here. I want to get in under 2. I don't think there's anything really in this zone stopping us. That one wick maybe, but I don't think anything's stopping us now. So we've been patient this far. We're just going to wait it out and see if we can get in. And then maybe we're making. Well, all right, we're bouncing here. BTC back up to 96. Doge over 39, 39.2. Trying to bounce a little bit, but I'm not gonna get in here. I saw another viewer. Shout out. We're gonna figure out a way to make this interesting. We're gonna try and figure it out here. See if we can. And I'm sitting here watching it anyways. You know what I mean? Every day. Looks like we might be bouncing up a little bit. What do we know about 48 minutes, so might be bouncing here. Doge making a pretty good bounce. Doge is bouncing up a little bit more than everything else, it looks like. I wanted to get in under 40, and I did, and it came back up, and it just ripped right back down. Trendline rule coming into play. We broke this defined channel down. They say we got to go down before we can head back up higher. Interesting. Doge. That down below there, we kind of held that. I might take this trade right over this candle and break it. It broke it. Doge, we're going to get a new Doge, hold on. Come on. Most of these can't. you get it when it just breaks it, or you wait till it closes? You see what it closes. I like that, right to break over there. Everything else kind of coming up higher too. We bottom out at 3. Let's look left for a second. Be out. Rejecting it. Everything else seems to be doing the same. Everything else seems to be doing the same. Interesting. XRP 207. Alright, it's 10:30, guys. I just wanted to get on here for a minute, try out this webcam, see. Obviously, we're probably going to have to get something a little better quality. I don't know how the sound is. I'll go back and listen to see. But, again, just to wrap up, Doge breaking back down to 41, 39.1, BTC 95.6, XRP 207s. And I am waiting on XRP to get a shot at it here. We are waiting to get a shot at it here. Gonna be patient though. See if it breaks. Trend. I want to close above the trend line. I'll give it this 1 5-minute candle. There's 2 minutes left, and then I'm gonna crash and go to bed. And then we're going to be up to trade some 0 DTEs tomorrow. We trade some end of the weeks as well. It just depends whatever we can, what the leverage it provides. Okay, we're trying to break this trend right here on XRP. Might take a shot here. Might take a shot on the old XRP. Small shot. Got closed though. BTC 95.8 still though, I don't know. I mean, this thing can pump right up to 217. You see, if I buy it now, it's not like I only have 210. I want to see it close. The bloodshed stop. Will the bloodshed stop? We want to get this bounce if we can. Maybe I'm not going to get my 190s. I'm going to take a shot here. I got 1 minute till this candle closes. Had some volume come in. Gosh, I really thought we'd have a chance to get down there. That was my theory, wait for a 2 break to get in, but I just don't know that we're going to get it. BTC rallying back higher. I'm going to take this. I'm taking it. Just to show you guys what my trade is going to be. Just as simple, just to see. I mean, am I trying to catch a falling knife? Probably, but it's worth it. I'm in right around there, but the fill's freaking terrible though. It's okay. Just gonna retest. Let's go, pump. We are long XRP. Just gonna take 1 shot before I go to bed. Why not? I did it for the gram, y'all. For the gram. I don't use Instagram. I've been getting into X. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out X. Oh, I should have waited until it pushed this candle right here. Now that I look at it, but we're all right. I'm giving myself 5 cents of risk for what, 7? I guess it's 1 to 1. Not the best risk to reward. I just wanted to do something for everybody, especially since given the spread. Patience, patience. We're risking about, well, not much. Risking 5 cents or so, 6 cents. I mean, realistically, this thing could retrace to 220s again. That's where we bounced right off this crazy one. We went all the way down here and we bounced way back up to 230s. I mean, we could bounce all the way back up here to 220. So let's just give it a second to see if we can get some legs. Again, am I trying to catch a falling knife? Yeah, we are. We are. Told myself I wouldn't do it. We're doing it. I just got that momentum candle breakout out of the trend. I liked it. I'm gonna take one shot, and we will get out if we're wrong. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna do a tight stop here because I just am not having any faith in it at all. I don't want to risk that much. 206. Yeah, that's all we're gonna risk there. I'll go to the close of these candles right there. That's going to be my stop, 206. Risk giving 4 cents. Or risk 4. To make potentially 8 to 10 probably. Now this market is just dumpster fire, guys. Do not advise to do what I just did. But you gotta get in there sometimes. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. We took one. I mean, I've just seen this thing rip up the other way so many times that it's worth it. Again, that's my entry there. We're right about even right now, so we're okay. We're going to hold until right down here. I'm not even going to give it to all of the week, because if we break back down, it's probably going to go. Let's go, XRP. What it be? What it be? There we go. Get some upward momentum. Un momento, por favor. Doge was a play. Doge is holding a little bit better here. Doge trying to get back up to 40. Come on, baby. Pump for daddy. It's trying right now. It's trying. Just like to see the whole market get some buying in. You'd think somebody would be looking like I am and try and catch this bottom. I really wanted that 190s, but I took a shot at it. And so far, so good. We're just down the spread fee. There we go. I mean, I guess realistically, you probably wait until this little inverted kind of hammer. It's not that big, though. Let's go. I like it. Change of trend. Inbound. Let's go. Let's get a win for the stream, huh? Let's get a win for the stream. Pump it up. I'm in, guys. I was going to wait, but I don't think we're going to get all the way down there. I think there's a lot of people like me that are waiting for that, and it's just not going to happen. And I think we're going to push right now. And me and my 0 viewers are probably not going to affect the market enough to make it happen, but I believe. And it's worth taking a shot before I go to bed. So that's what we're doing. Looking up. I like it. So I want to get into the futures. It'd be so much better. I'll break that candle. We had two positive in a row. And I like it. It was more than 50%. This little momentum candle here was more than 50%. Still pushing higher. Still pushing higher. I don't know who my stop is. Yeah. Come on, baby. It wants to so bad. Look at it. It's like, come on. We're sick of going down. We want to go up. Oh, hey, what's the score of the game? Anybody watching the football game? 20-20. Hey, let's go. We're pushing. We're pushing. This might work. We're pushing, guys. Come on. We got a game. Cowboys 20, Bengals 20. I like it. Come on, push up. We're pushing right now. Let's go. For the stream, baby. Come on. I want it to break this high. Move my stop. Too early to move my stop. Move to the breakout zone. It's a little bit lower. Lower this candle. I'm gonna try just because this thing can whip the other way so fast, guys. Take a penny of risk off. But I think we might go now. 2020 Cowboys Bengals. Let's go. What's the high of this candle right here? This is what we want to see it push higher than. 211.83s. 211.83s. Come on, push. It's going right now. If you guys just joining us, XRP is trying to. We've been crashing on everything in crypto. Looks like we finally found a little bit of a bounce zone. I hopped in here. 209. I mean, my fill is obviously higher than that, but we're right there now. Come on. Let's go. It's the highest one. Almost there. Come on. You know you want to. Somebody's got to spam that buy button on XRP right now. Everybody ape into XRP. Stacked. Let's go. Let's go. We're moving on up. Let's get a win for the stream, huh? Right before bed, let's get a win for the stream. Oh, it's trying so hard. There we go. There we go. Push, baby, push. Let's go. Let's go. We're positive, baby. Come on. Let's get a win. Let's go. We are currently sitting on a winner on XRP right now. We're going to let it run a little bit more because we're not much. No, we're break even now. Come on. It's just that spread kills you. I got to trade more often. Or I got to switch what I'm trading with, I guess, would be ideal. But I want it to close over this candle here. 212, let's go. Come on, baby. Gotta pee though. I'm gonna leave this stream. I'm gonna leave this trade up for now. We'll give it a couple minutes. This is the last one before bed. I'm moving my stop up. I'm trailing this thing. It's just rips out of the way. 208. Let's go. We're positive. We are positive. $213. Let's go. Did I see 213? Where did I see that at? It's so crazy. There's such a big difference on the spread here. We're gonna go right. Yeah, that's where we're gonna go. Alright, I gotta run to the restroom real quick, guys. I'm gonna let this up. I'm gonna leave this up. Hopefully it runs. I set a stop in just to make sure in case it doesn't. pumping, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to be patient here. Wait for the take profit. We're going to be patient here. Wait for the take profit. I think that's where we can get. I think we can get right where we broke down last. Which is essentially it, right? Yeah, come on, baby. Got a winner on board for the stream. We like it. Come on. This thing could just rip, though. I've seen this thing just go completely away. Bitcoin 96.7. Market participation. You know, like I'm trading options and stuff. You always keep, the Qs and the SPY or the Nasdaq and the ES up. And I look at BTC as like the overall market. Like that's my barometric. BTC's pumping. Peep trying to go. Doge on its way to breaking 40. 213s. We've got a winner on board for the stream. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. May get some resistance here, but let it ride. Oh, I'm gonna take that stop out right here. Take my stop out. I'll probably stop out at break even now if it doesn't run. Just lose the spread fee if we're wrong. But this thing could just go. This thing could just run. Cancel or cool. It's weird. Like if you I'm looking at this on Coin, but again I gotta submit my ID. Let's go. We're pumping, baby. But I'm trading it through the hood, which is not going to be a long-term thing because the fees are better on Coin once you get some trades in. Let's go. 213. Let's go. Let's go. We are pumping. Should we take some off? I don't think so. We're going to hold for the dream. Hold for the dream, for the stream. The dream stream, guys. Let's go. Bitcoin's kind of at a level here too. Look at it. We're still pumping. No signs of slowing down. Look at that. No signs of slowing down. Taking a piece off. Small piece off, which is pointless because the spread's ridiculous. There's something wrong with one that we got. We're pumping, man. Look at this. Go. Let's go. Pretty big V here. Let's go. Pump it, baby. BTC looking like it may have hit a little bit of a wall. XRP still going. Doge still pumping. You can see where I got in down here at the blue line. I've now moved my stop up. At this point, we're moving stop up to break even. Come on, let's see 220s. Can we see 220s? We got a winner on board. this. We like this. I put some music on or something, but I think I don't think you can do that. Streamlabs has some stuff, but I really don't know how to use it. So we've got a winner on board. Still headed higher. Come on. No signs of stopping. No signs of stopping. Bitcoin continue to head higher as well. Beautiful. Pump through this here. Let's go. It's just screaming. Screaming eagle. Look at this, we got a winner. We got ourselves a winner. We went trying to catch a falling knife, and we did. And we did. Taking another piece off. Taking another piece off here, guys. That wasn't so bad there. I'm okay with that, Phil. Taking another piece off. We're still holding 25% of it. I mean, realistically, I gotta go to bed, Russ. I just let this thing ride till the morning, because let's go. Let's get to the total take profit here. Let's go. Something here. 4-5% win. Come on. Oh, my light's going off. Let's go. We're so close to the take profit, man. Taking a little more off. I'm okay with this move. More or less just do this to practice for the options. The spread's crazy. I mean, I wasn't in a huge trade on this. Holding the last piece for the dream, guys. Holding the last piece for the dream. Phil, yep. I guess what I'll do is now I'll get out of this last piece when we break the trend line. When we break that trend line, I'll get out. Just to make things simple for you. And see, this is why I want to trade derivatives. That'd have been a monster trade on the derivatives, but it's not that much doing this. But we're still trying to crack this code. So we're trying to get involved in the community here. We've got a Discord. Well, I don't. I do, but I don't. Still going. What's going on here? I was going to say, I stalled for a second. I was going to say, I'm seeing different prices here. 216 inbound. Nice trade. BTC 96.9. Trying to push higher. It's got a little problem zone there. Alright, I'm going to go to bed, guys, so I'm just going to cash this. this trade out. Just a small win just before bed, you know. I'm okay with it. We're out of the trade. Ended with a winner for the night. We like it. Keep the chops up for the morning. Let's hope we can get one of these in the options market in the morning. Fees are a lot better. 3 cents a contract. I mean, you can't beat that. We're out of the trade. Have a beautiful night, guys. It's been a pleasure. You know, maybe we'll do this again. I got to get my license so I can get the rest of these permissions granted so we can trade the futures instead. We'll see some bigger profits that way. But, you know, we're out of the trade.